This is the corner of the knee bolster I repaired on my Corvette. I ended up using 2 coats of JB weld, and it works good. Drilled it out, filed it. Looks pretty good. You won't see it. This is what you'll see is the big corner of it. And that bolster goes down there. Right, covers up that wiring. The computer system is, the main ECM computer is back there. The only way I've found to get to that bolster off is you have to start at the top. Take the dash top off, take the bread box out, and then take the knee bolster out. I haven't found any other way to get to the bolts. It's a real bugger to get to. And it's mid-February, and I want to have this thing out and running by April 1. And it needs some cleaned up. And it needs the headlight cover put on it. And the tires are going to hold, at least for now. That's the seat for it. So, it's coming along.